Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Economic Architecture. Made in Inversiones Brain Group. Today we will be working the demand curve. Okay, let's go. Class 6 Microeconomics Theory. Demand curves. The demand curves the impact of income and price changes. Now, that we have derived demand curves, we can try to understand various properties of demand by varying income and prices. Income changes explains the classification of goods according to the response of demand to income changes. Normal goods. A consumer buys more of these when income increases. Inferior goods. A consumer buys less of these when income increases. The income consumption curve. The income consumption curve is of a consumer trace of the path of optimal bundles as income varies. The curve that shows this relationship is called the angel curve. The slope of the income consumption curve indicates the sign of the income elasticity of demand. Price changes is is very important to understand fully the decomposition of the total price effect into income and substitution effects. This decomposition is, of course, a purely artificial thought experiment, but this thought experiment is extremely useful in understanding how the demand for different goods respond to the changes in prices at different levels of income and given different opportunities to substitution of. Okay, today we'll be working the next example. Suppose function where income is m equal 17.2, the price of is 1, and the price of x changes from 9 to 4. Calculate the income effect and the substitution effect. Let price x and price y denote the original prices, and let p primal x denote the lower price of x. Under the original prices, the marginal demand functions. You should be able to calculate these R and the next functions. Okay, let's go. We simplifies the next example and variation m divided to 4 price primal x for price y equal m divided to 4 price x price j. Okay, using the values sublet, the variation m is equal 24, so that m minus variation m equal 28. Under a reducing income of 40A and given the new price Px equal 4, the demand for X is 6. The original demand for X was 4. Under the comparison price changes, the demand is 6. Therefore, the substitution effect is 2. It follows that the rest of the changing mass, the income effect, since the total price effect is 5, the income effect is 3. In terms of algebra, is equal substitution effect m minus variation m divided to price primal x minus m to price x. Okay, the income effect is the remainder of the price effect, so that income effect equal n to price primal x minus m divided to price x minus m minus variation n divided to primal price x minus m divided to price x. Simplifying, income effect equal variation m to primal x. Looking ahead, the variation m we calculate here is known as the compensation variation. Now, what is the graph? The graph, this. The got x, the got j, the budget constraint, rent, divided price j, rent divided price x, but this price premium. In the second budget constraint, rent divided price x. Normally, when we have this is the curve but point B, point A, the curve indifferent, point C. Okay, in this graph have 3 points. As the price of X falls, the change from A to C shows the total price effect. The movement from A to B under a compensate price changes shows the substitution effect, while the movement from B to C shows the income effect. Okay, thank you very much for following me in the course Microeconomics theory. Until next video. Bye bye.